students, nice to meet you. How are you today? So, in the previous lessons, we learned about the furniture for the home. So today we are going to continue the English lessons, okay? So we are going to talk about the food. First, we are going to talk about vocabulary for breakfast. Breakfast. Okay? So breakfast is the morning meal, okay? So now we have eggs. Okay, eggs. Fried potato. Fried potato. Okay, fried potato. Bacon. Bacon. Is it meat? Okay. Sauces. Sauces. Okay, sauces. Omelette. Okay, omelette. Cereal. Cereal. Okay, cereal. Yogurt. Yogurt. Okay, yogurt. Fruit. Fruit like apple, grape, watermelon, toast. Like bread, jam, jam. We usually eat jam with sandwich. Okay? Juice. Juice. Coffee. Coffee. Milk. Milk. Cream. 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 Sugar. Sugar. Okay? This eggs, fried potatoes, bacon, sauces, omelette, cereal, yogurt, fruit, toast, jam, juice, coffee, milk, cream, sugar, okay? Now let's talk about breakfast, and I can tell you what I eat for breakfast, okay, usually. And let me write it on the board and you can see them. This is what I eat for breakfast. This is what I eat for breakfast. Okay, so I usually eat yogurt and fruit. I usually eat yogurt and fruit. I also eat toast with jam or honey. I also eat toast with jam or honey. Okay? Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat toast. On weekends, on weekends, I eat an omelette. I eat an omelette. And toast. Okay? This is what I eat for breakfast. I usually eat yogurt and fruit. I also eat toast with jam or honey. Sometimes I eat eggs and toast. On weekends, I eat an omelette and toast. Okay? Now we have the question. What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast? Okay? What do you usually eat for breakfast? And you can answer like, I usually with some food. Okay, for example, what do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat yogurt and fruit. Okay? What do you usually eat for breakfast? Okay? So now let's look and listen. Look and listen. Okay, we have she is. Eggs and toast. And toast for breakfast. He is cereal and milk. He is cereal and milk. They drink tea with sugar. They drink tea with sugar. We drink coffee with milk. We drink coffee with milk. You eat yogurt. You eat yogurt and fruit. Okay? She is eggs and toast for breakfast. He is cereal and milk. They drink tea with sugar. We drink coffee with milk. You eat yogurt and fruit. Okay? Okay, now let's talk about lunch. Lunch. So, lunch is a meal in the middle of the day, okay, like noon. So here is what people often eat for lunch. First one, we have bread. Bread. Sandwich. Sandwich. Chicken. Chicken. Ham. Ham. Beef. Beef. Cheese. Cheese. Mustard. Mustard. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. soup, soup, salad, salad, tomatoes, tomato, lettuce, lettuce, onion, cola, cucumber, water, and mineral water. Okay, this is what people often eat for lunch. Bread, sandwich, chicken, ham, beef, cheese, mustard, mayonnaise, hamburger, soup, salad, tomatoes, lettuce, onion, cola, cucumber, water, mineral water. Okay? So these are some things that people eat for lunch, right? Now I will tell you about my normal lunch. My normal lunch. And I will write it on the board for you, okay? This is what I eat for lunch, okay? I eat a cheese sandwich. I eat a cheese sandwich. And some salad. And some salad. In the salad, there is lettuce. There is lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, and sometimes onions, and sometimes onion. Okay? I drink mineral water. And then I drink coffee or tea. Tea. So this is what I eat for lunch. I eat a cheese sandwich and some salad. In the salad, there is lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and sometimes onions. I drink mineral water and then I drink coffee or tea. Okay? So, I will ask you a question. What do you usually eat for lunch? Okay, that's good. So, let's look and listen. Look and listen. We eat soup and salad for lunch. We eat soup and salad for lunch. They eat cheese. They eat sandwich and ham sandwich with mustard. With mustard. He drinks cola. He drinks cola. Mary and Jack drink mineral water. Okay? They're very simple. We eat soup and salad for lunch. We eat a cheese and ham sandwich with mustard. He drinks cola. Mary and Jack drinks mineral water. Im coi! Cái thằng này ồn quá à. Water, okay? Now let's talk about dinner. Dinner. Okay? Dinner is the evening meals, okay? It's not night or midnight. It's over like 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. Okay? Dinner is around here, around this time. Okay, it's around 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So now we have meat, beef, lamb, chicken, fish, potatoes, ice cream, rice, peas, carrots, broccoli, dessert, pie, fruit. Okay? Meat. Okay? Meat is a lot of meat. Like pork, beef, chicken, okay, lamb is a lot, okay? Beef is just one, is beef, just beef. And meat is a lot, is pork, is it beef, is it chicken, is it fish, or is it lamb, okay? Meat. Beef, lamb, chicken, fish, potatoes, ice cream, rice, peas, carrots, broccoli, dessert, pie, fruit. Okay, now I will tell you what I usually eat for dinner. Okay? I usually have chicken, potato, and salad for dinner. I always have dessert. I eat ice cream, usually have chicken, potatoes, and salad for dinner. I always have dessert. Dessert. I always have dessert. I eat ice cream and cake. Okay? So, what do you usually eat for dinner? Okay, that's so good. So now let's look and listen. Let me see. Look and listen. For dinner, they eat meat, rice, and salad. Susan usually eat chicken and salad. Okay? He often eats. He often eats pork and peas. Pork and peas. You never eat pork and peas. So pork is the meat from the pig. Okay? Pork is the meat from the pig. Okay? We usually eat fish on Fridays. Okay? For dinner, they eat meat, rice, and salad. Susan usually eats chicken and salad. He often eats pork and peas. You never eat pork and peas. We usually eat fish on Fridays. Okay. Now we are going to put fruit into let's see, categories groups. Now the first group that we can make is fruit. Fruit. So fruit, we have apple, orange, strawberry, grapes, peach, apricot, cherry, watermelon, melon. Okay. We also, for the group fruit, we have apple, orange, strawberry, grapes, peach, apricot, cherry, watermelon, and melon. Okay, they are different. This one is this. Okay, this is watermelon, and melon is this one. Okay, watermelon is this one. Okay. Okay, another group is vegetable. we have carrot, potato, peas, broccoli, squash, tomato, cucumber, onion, lettuce, pepper, okay? Carrot, potato, peas, broccoli, squash, tomato, cucumber, onion, lettuce, pepper. So, next is the group called legume. Okay, this group we just have 3 members, okay? Dry beans. Okay, dry beans. Next, lentils, okay? Dry peas. Dry peas. Lentil, dry peas. Okay? Another group is protein. We have beef, lamb, pork, chicken, fish, egg. Okay? Beef, lamb, pork, chicken, fish, eggs. Okay? Protein. Now we have the group called wheat bread. Oh no, this is called bread. Okay, in this group we have white bread, brown bread, rolls, buns, biscuits, crackers. Okay, white bread, brown bread, rolls, buns, biscuits, cracker. Okay. Next one is dairy. We have milk, yogurt, cheese, ice cream, milk, yogurt, cheese, ice cream. Okay? Okay, another one is oil. We have butter, margarine, olive oil, sunflower oil. Okay? Oil, butter, margarine, olive oil, sunflower oil. Okay? And this group called drinks. have milk, cola, wine, soda, pop, fruit, juice, mineral water, water, and beer. Okay, we have milk, cola, wine, soda, pop, fruit juice, mineral water, water, and beer. Okay, and the final groups is dessert. Okay, we have pie, cake, cookie, fruit, and ice cream. Desserts, pie, cake, cookies, fruit, ice cream. Okay? Now we are going to talk about two groups of nouns. Okay? This is very important for English. Okay? There are countable nouns. Countable and non-countable. Okay, there are two groups. If something is countable, we can put an S on it. Okay, for example, one apple, two apples. Okay. One apple, two apples. Okay, they are a little bit different. However, some things cannot be counted. We can call them non-countable. Okay? Let's talk about the thing that we can't count. Now one group is liquid. Liquid. Okay? In this group we have milk. Okay, we have milk. We have milk and milk products like cheese, yogurt, ice cream. Okay. Another one is cola, tea, coffee, beer, wine, water, and okay, that's enough. Milk, cola, tea, coffee, beer, wine, water. Okay? So there are no S. Okay? Never. Because these are liquid. So they are liquid, so we cannot count it. Okay? So another group is powder, or we can call it grains. Okay, in this group we have sugar, flour, salt, rice, pepper. Okay, they are known as sugar, flour, salt, rice, pepper. There's a lot and it's very small, so we can't count it. Okay, they're very small. Next one we have Here's another one is meat. Okay? We have beef, lamb, pork, chicken, and fish. Okay? There are no s. Okay, because meat it cannot count it. Okay, like this is the meat. Okay, this is meat. I cut it. I can cut it a lot of time, so I don't know what piece it is. Okay, so we cannot cut it. Okay. But we can count kilo pies or cup of these things. So, for example, we have 1 kilo of chicken. Okay, 1 kilo of chicken or 2 kilo of chicken. Okay, they are different here. Here is the S. Okay, it's here but not here. Okay. 1 glass of milk. 2 glasses of milk. Okay. Here. They are here but not here. Because we can count the kilo, glass or cup, but not this one. Not meat, not powder, not liquid. Okay? So they are very similar. Remember that now I want to talk about article. With these words, we have a boy. Okay, let it go. Okay. Change role. Specific. And we have singular. Singular is just one, and plural is many. Okay, now we have a book. Okay, a book. Or in the specifics, we have the book. The book. For so plural we have books. And specifics is the books. So in non-countable, now we have. Now if you want to say something general, you will just say, for example, water. Okay? Specifics is the water. Okay? Books are countable. Water is uncountable. Okay? Water, here. No A, no A, never A, and no S. Okay? Never S. Now let me give you some example to help you understand it. Now we can say water is wet. Okay, water is wet. So this is general. General. The water in my glass is cold. Okay, this one is general and this one is specific. The water is wet. The water in my glass is cold. Okay. Next one we have flower is white. Okay, this one is general. The flour in the bread is white. Okay, this one is general and this one is specific. Flour is white. The flour in the bread is white. Okay, be careful. Okay, so notice that the verbs are singular. Water is wet. The water in my glass is cold. I'm gonna erase that. But okay, I will write this again. Is wet. Okay. So the verbs are singular. So here is the B. Okay. No. No A, no S. Here the is. Okay, singular. Okay, now student, let's look and listen. Tea is good. The tea in my glass is good. Fish is delicious. The fish from Canada is delicious. Rice is white. The rice on my plate is white. Okay? Now we are going to breakfast with some real food. But before that, we can have grammar. First, I want to talk about these words. Sun, sun, any. So this is only for the negative and the question. A lot, a lot, many, a few. Okay. Here is countable now, and here is for uncountable now. Much and a little. Okay? This one is for countable now, and this is for uncountable now. Okay? So now we can use the word with countable nouns. Okay, countable noun is the word can as, and the uncountable noun is the word that we cannot add the as. Okay. So let's erase them. Okay, now I will write here, and you will look so you can see the difference. I have some apples. Do you have some apple? Do you have some apple? Do you have any apples? Do you have any apples? I don't have any apples. I don't have any apples. I have a few apples. I have a few apples. I have a lot of apples. I have a lot of apples. I have Many apples. Okay, so apple is the countable noun. So we can add the s in the verb. Oh, sorry, in the nouns. Okay. I have some apples. Do you have some apples? Do you have any apples? I don't have any apples. I have a few apples. I have a lot of apples. I have many apples. So this time we will use uncountable nouns. Okay? I have some water. Okay, water. Do you have some water? Do you have any water? I don't have any water. I have a little. I have a little water. I have a lot of water. And the final one is I have much water. So here, these are the same, but in North American, we use this a lot. Okay, this is more popular, so we often use this. Okay, know this. Okay, you can do this, but it's not popular. So now, let's look and listen. Look and listen. There is some sugar in the ice cream. In ice cream. There isn't any sugar in yogurt. Any sugar in yogurt? Do you have any eggs? Do you have any eggs? Do you have any eggs? She has some bread. She has some bread. She has some bread. She has a piece of cheese. Okay? There is some sugar in the ice cream. There isn't any sugar in yogurt. Do you have any eggs? She has some bread. She has a piece of cheese. Okay? So students, now let's review. Okay, this time to review. So, I have some words, and you will listen carefully, and you will write down your paper, and I will check on the board. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. First one, we have tomato. 2, bread. 3, yogurt. 4, coffee. 5, sugar. 6, cheese. 7, lettuce. 8, cherry. 9, melon. And the final is flour. Okay, are you ready? Now let's check your answers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, first one we have tomato. 2 in bread. Yogurt. Coffee. Sugar. Okay, this is the answer. Are you all correct? If you are all correct, you are very, very, very good. Okay, very, very, very good. So, now I have some sentences and you will listen carefully and write down in your paper. First one, we have Susan often puts some onion in her salad. 2. Isabel eats cake and ice cream every day. 3. Alice eats a hamburger every week. Is there any milk in the hamburger? And the final one we are eating fish, salad, and bread for dinner tonight. Okay, let's check the answer. Now. Okay, now let's check. Susan often puts some onion in her salad. Okay. Isabel eats cake and ice cream. And ice cream every day. Ali is a hamburger. Ali is a hamburger every week. Is there any milk? Is there any milk in a hamburger? We are eating fish. Salad and bread for dinner tonight. Okay, this is the answer. So, are you all correct? All of these sentences. So, students, this is the end of the lessons. Thanks for your listening. See you later. Goodbye.